Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be very special because I'm going to show you guys some of my kitchen skills. So this video I'll be showing how to make lemonade at home, and yeah, I hope you like this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just press that button, and next to that you have that bell icon. Press that so you will be able to get all the notifications from my channel. First thing first, you need a glass. Keep the glass. Take a teaspoon of sugar. You can take a little bit, half teaspoon of chaat masala. Then add a little salt. Take some ice cubes. Pour it in the glass. Now you need to take some lime juice, or if you have lemon at your home. Unfortunately guys, I don't have lemon at my home. This is so sad. Okay, but I have got this. This is lime juice. Take a teaspoon of lime juice, or little more you can take, like, okay, I have taken 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Next thing you need is a soda can. Did you hear this sound? Boom. Open and pour all the soda inside the glass. Can you see these bubbles? Awesome. A teaspoon of glucon-D you can pour inside. You need to stir it well. And it's done. You can see it's nice orange right now. What else you need? A mint leaf. A mint leaf can change your life. Just take it, put it inside, and if you want to garnish it more, you can take a lemon or anything you have. It depends on your creativity. I had this apple slice which I had made this design. You see how creative I am. Peace out. This is simply just amazing. This is simply amazing, guys. It will make you feel like you are in heaven. Awesome. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Just give me a thumbs up, leave a like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Come back for more DIY and travel videos, and you can never expect what I'm gonna make in my next video. So till then, have peace. Bye bye. See you guys. 2 teaspoons. I've taken 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Glucon-D you can pour inside. Stir a little bit, and whoa.